Okay, folks, gather round. Today we're diving into the wild world of AI and globalization. It's about to get real. Remember Globalisation 1.0? Yeah, that was all about ships, spices, and trading goods. Then came Globalisation 2.0, the era of the internet, software, and everything going digital. But hold on tight, because we're entering Globalisation 3.0, and guess what's driving it? You got it, AI. This ain't just about buying stuff online anymore. We're talking about AI changing how we live, work, and even think. It's a whole new ballgame, people. This time, it's personal. AI is about to touch every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to education, from finance to entertainment. So buckle up, Buttercup, because the future is here, and it's powered by AI. Did you know? Before we go any further, let's drop some truth bombs. These stats will blow your mind. China's AI dragon, China, is investing billions in becoming the world leader in AI by 2030. They're building smart cities, facial recognition systems, you name it, the digital Berlin Wall. Some countries are putting up digital firewalls to control the flow of data within their borders. Talk about taking internet censorship to a whole new level, the great reshoring. Remember when companies move manufacturing overseas? Well, with AI and automation, they're bringing jobs back home. But will there be enough jobs for everyone? The AI brain drain countries are in a global talent war, competing for the best AI engineers and researchers. It's like the space race, but for algorithms. These facts should tell you one thing. AI is a big deal. It's not just some tech jargon, it's changing the world as we speak. So how is AI different from previous waves of globalization? Let me break it down for you. Globalization 1.0 was about stuff. Globalization 2.0 was about software. But Globalization 3.0 is about intelligence itself. We're talking about machines that can learn, adapt, and even make decisions. That's a game changer. Geopolitics is getting an AI makeover. The US and China are locked in a tech race for AI dominance. Meanwhile, India is stepping up its game with projects like BharatGPT. Europe's trying to regulate AI, but can they keep up? AI is both global and local. It's global because AI technology spreads like wildfire across borders. But it's also local because countries want to control AI's development and use within their own borders. Talk about a paradox. The big question is, can we harness AI's power for good? Can we ensure it benefits everyone, not just a select few? That's the challenge of our time. AI and the future, your questions answered. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is AI going to take over the world? Relax. Terminator scenarios are for Hollywood. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to ensure it's used responsibly. What about AI and jobs? Will robots replace us all? AI will definitely change the job market. Some jobs will be automated, but new ones will emerge. We need to adapt and learn new skills to thrive in this new landscape. Can India become an AI superpower? Absolutely. We have the talent, the resources, and the drive. But we need to invest in education, research, and create an environment that fosters innovation. What about startups and creators? What's in it for them? AI is a goldmine for innovation. Startups can leverage AI to create groundbreaking products and services. Creators can use AI tools to enhance their creativity and reach a wider audience. Remember, the future is not predetermined, it's what we make it. India's AI superpower moment, let's make it happen. So there you have it, folks. Globalization 3.0 is here and AI is the name of the game. It's changing the world and India has a chance to be a leader, not just a follower. This is our moment to shine. Let's invest in our people, support our startups, and create an AI ecosystem that benefits every Indian. Globalization 3.0 is not just about technology, it's about our values, our vision for the future. Let's make sure it's a future where everyone has a seat at the table. Peace out.